Okay, so this is Unit 8, Homework 2, and it's going to be about if statements, which we've used before in the mazes back in Unit 3 and also last week in Unit 8. So, what is an if statement? Super easy. If something is true, we do it. If something is not true, we don't do it. So, if it is raining, which means this is true, then I use an umbrella. This is my very bad picture of an umbrella. There we go, that's an umbrella. And if I'm hungry, which means this is true, then I eat a snack. What snack am I gonna eat? I'm gonna eat this. Okay, ice cream, perfect. Good. Next. So I want you to select the action that is going to happen. So if the light is red, then I stop. So if the light is red, if this is true, then I stop. So the light's red, do I stop? Yes, I do. If the dog is sleeping, then I am quiet. So, is the dog sleeping? Yes, it is. Therefore, am I quiet? Yes, I am. Okay, if I finish my homework, then I play games. So, if I finish homework, do I get to play games? Yes, I do. So this is quite easy. All of these are yes, yes, and yes. So, the next thing. Here's an example of and. So, if it is cold and I have a jacket, then I wear it. Okay, so it is cold, but I don't have a jacket. So does the action happen? No, it doesn't. And means both things need to be true. If I am tired and it's bedtime, then I sleep. So I'm tired and it's bedtime, which means both of these are true, which means this happens. If my tablet is charged and I finish charge, then I can use it. My tablet's not charged, therefore I cannot do this, right? Because I already know if it's not charged, I can't use it. So even though I finish my chores, I finish my chores, my tablet is not charged, therefore this action does not happen. Great. Super easy. This is or, so only one of these things need to be true for us to do it. So if I have an apple or banana, then I have a snack. I have an apple, but not a banana. Okay, but like I said, it's an or. Therefore, action happens. Yes. I want you to write this, I eat the apple, because we have the apple. If I feel happy or excited, then I smile. I'm not happy, but I am excited. So I'm not happy, but I am excited. Therefore, I smile because I am excited. I don't know how you can be excited and not happy. That doesn't make sense to me, but here we are. That's fine. So if it is sunny or warm, then I go outside. It's not sunny and not warm. I can't check any of these. So therefore, I do not go outside. Super easy, right? Next, create your own if statements. Bonus points if it's funny. So if I order 3 pizzas, then what? Have a pizza party. But we need to also use and or. So this is the if right here. So if is done, let's use and. So if, let's do if I have money and I have time, then I will go to Japan. Easy. Or, so if I am tired, or it is 11 p.m., then I sleep. And this is kind of true. Sometimes it has to be a little bit past 11 a.m., but if I'm tired and it's past 11 p.m., I usually try to go to sleep. Sometimes I have work to do, but I usually try to go to sleep. So that's pretty much it. Guys, super easy today, right? It's only a 4-minute video. This shouldn't be difficult, but this will help you understand ifs, ors, and ands, because we're going to be using a lot of them in our next lesson this Saturday, which is going to be a super fun maze lesson again. I'm really excited for these maze lessons because we get to use conditional statements in a really fun way, and you guys seem to enjoy it too. So see you guys this Saturday. Have a wonderful week. Goodbye.